Hello everyone, welcome back to Mindful Insights. Love is meant to feel safe, warm, and secure. But for many of us, relationships feel more like a push and pull. If you've ever found yourself chasing someone who keeps pulling away, or needing space from a partner who feels too clingy, you might be experiencing the clash between anxious and avoidant attachment styles. The good news, these patterns can be healed. Today I will show you how to break the cycle and build a secure, loving bond. Section 1. What this is. So, what exactly are anxious and avoidant attachment styles? These patterns come from our earliest relationships and shape how we connect as adults. The anxious partner often feels abandonment. They crave closeness, reassurance, and worry about being left. The avoidant partner, on the other hand, values independence and may feel overwhelmed by too much emotional closeness. They tend to shut down or pull away when things get too intense. Section 2. Behaviors of each style. Here is how it usually looks in real life. The anxious partner may text often, need constant reassurance, or feel insecure when their partner is distant. The avoidant partner may delay responding, withdraw during conflict, or avoid deep emotional talks. It is like one is reaching out while the other is pulling back. Section 3. Why these patterns clash. This creates what we call the pursuer-distancer cycle. Think of it like a chase. The anxious partner feels insecure when there is emotional distance, so they try to get closer by texting more, asking for reassurance, or wanting to talk things out right away. However, for the avoidant partner, this can feel overwhelming. Their instinct is to step back, create space, or shut down to protect themselves. The more the anxious partner pursues, the more the avoidant partner distances, and the more they distance themselves, the more nervous and desperate the pursuer feels. It becomes a loop of chasing and withdrawing, like one person running forward while the other keeps stepping back. Both partners are trying to protect their own needs, but the cycle ultimately creates tension, frustration, and loneliness on both sides. The good news, with awareness and healthier communication, this cycle can be broken. Section 4. Step-by-step tips to break the cycle. So how do we move towards a secure bond? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Build awareness. Notice your patterns without judgment. Awareness is the first step to change. Step 2. Communicate openly. Instead of reacting, express your needs calmly and clearly. For example, an anxious partner can say, I feel insecure when I don't hear from you. Can we check in once a day? Step 3. Practice self-regulation. Anxious partners can learn to soothe their fears without relying too heavily on reassurance. Avoidant partners can practice staying present even when it feels uncomfortable. Step 4. Set healthy boundaries. Boundaries aren't walls, they are guidelines for safety. Both partners need to strike a balance between closeness and space. Step 5. Work on secure habits. Show consistent care. Keep promises and build trust through small, everyday actions. Healing happens in the little moments. Healing anxious and avoidant attachment isn't about being perfect. It is about progress. When two people choose awareness, patience, and love over fear, even the deepest wounds can become the foundation for a stronger, more resilient bond. Remember, you are not your attachment style. You are capable of secure, healthy love, and every step you take towards healing brings you closer to the relationship you deserve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the following video. Take care.